Hi.
It's Narissa.
And Jared.
And we're the Parkhopbears.
And we're here at the Winchester Mystery House. Hi.
It's Narissa.
And Jared.
And we're the Parkhopbears. And in today's video, we are gonna take a look at the Winchester Mystery House.
Ooh, scary.
We went to San Jose last year, and while we were there, we visited the Winchester Mystery House. We took a little bit of video, mostly outside, and we have some pictures.
Yeah, they won't let you video inside the tour. They offer virtual tours online if you want to see the actual inside of the house. Mm-hmm. So we'll share some pictures from inside the house. But what was really cool is like the gift shop, and then the outside area is really interesting.
Yeah.
They have like kind of gardens, and then like a whole little, it's very touristy.
Yeah, and it's the door to nowhere.
Yeah, we have some good pictures of the door to nowhere from the outside of the house. And yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, so let's take a look.
And we're here in San Jose at the Winchester Mystery House.
Yay! Ooh,
Ghostly
creepy.
lights. Ghostly sunlight. Now we can't take video inside the house, so we'll be showing you some photos from inside. But here we go. Here's the axe throwing area. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you just throw it straight at your own feet. Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even see him. Yeah. There's the door to nowhere. Goes out the side.
Nowhere.
Goes out the side of the house and straight down.
Good thing we didn't take that door.
That's if you really want to get out of the house.
We're so close. I know. You wanna know why it's so close?
Even has the seance room. It's fun. Yeah. So here's the main parking lot, and then there's a
Additional.
overflow lot across the street.
They have lots of scheduled times.
Yeah, lots of scheduled times, more than what they had listed online. And we're back!
Yeah. So that was the Winchester Mystery House, or the outside of it. But we had a lot of fun when we went.
Yeah, we had a really good time. If you're interested in going to the Winchester Mystery House, you should definitely check it out.
Yeah.
It's very worthwhile.
I was worried it'd be like a little too creepy because it's, I mean, mystery, you know?
Yeah.
but it wasn't too bad. It was pretty cool.
It's cool, yeah. We don't want to give too much away. It's not like scary. They offer like nighttime tours. Now that might be something that would be scary.
Yeah.
It's almost more of like a historic tour of the house during the day. But yeah, it's
There might be ghosts.
there could be ghosts on your tour. You never know.
And there is a movie too, Winchester.
Yeah, Winchester.
We made sure to watch that.
Yeah,
before we went.
that was kind of fun. We watched it in San Jose the night before we went, and yeah, it was really cool.
Yeah, so if you're in San Jose, definitely check it out.
Big thumbs up.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We do post lots of videos, travel videos, Disney videos, So make sure you click subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye.